Something to talk about you. 2 years since I met you. 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guess what? Today is my introduction, the bride price payment day. The Igbos call it the Ibanko and the Obas call it Iku Egoji. That is payment of the bride price for the bride. And today is March 29 and it's my day. I'm feeling awkward because it's just sounding strange. Is it sounding strange or is it just looking strange? Because if someone ever told me that 2024 is going to be my year, I won't believe it. Okay, I will believe it. Maybe it's coming from a prophet, probably, or someone more spiritual. It's always a day of every woman has always prayed and wished for to come, and today is for me. So I thought to open up this vlog to speak to you guys because the cooking and everything that we're going on today, I'm going to carry you guys along as my in-laws will be coming to officially ask for my hand in marriage for their son. So in case this is your first time, you're welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you're not subscribed, please do right to hit the subscribe button to like, share and comment to know when I upload a new video. Don't forget to turn on your notification button to get notified when I upload a video. So I'm here with my friends, my baby girl, my copper, my NYC Connect baby, a boy state copper. So I'm going to show you guys later on her face so you guys will see her. But I just said, let me just open this vlog while I do my facials this morning to speak to you because the cooking process has already begun and my in-laws will be coming in anytime soon because we won't be wasting time so everybody can return back to their various destination. I miss my mom. I cried today because I just wish she was alive and for her to witness this very day. I think you'll notice my face was swollen because of the tears that came out of my eyes this morning, but it's where God knows the best. Let me put it like that. He knows the way, and I know wherever she is, she's behind me and she's also proud of me. May her soul rest in peace. Amen. So guys, I'm going to show you guys the rest of the video. I don't want to bore you guys with plenty talk this morning or right now. I'm going to show you guys all the video clips, the real Oba tradition. When I went for my elder brother's bride price payment, I showed you guys a little bit of the tradition, but today you guys are going to go deep into our tradition fully, how the bride price is being paid, all the necessary information that you need in case you want to get married from my tribe, River State, Omok, Elema. You know, so for now, let's just wrap it up and dive right into the video, guys. This is my baby Pepe. This is Ose Kitchen #1 for all your catering services. Please do where to come, my baby. Ebonyi State people, please patronize my girl. So I should stop coming to Port Harcourt to cook for Port Harcourt people. Very small. So guys, see you guys in the rest of the video.
Give them something to talk about you. 2 years since I met you. 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody got to know you. Baby, you know, no see me happy. They plan to marry you. And no be only day too. I already know I go, I feel you.
My baby.
I want get it. When you look for film, muka fanebe. Give them something to talk about you.
Hey guys, so my in-laws are here and I'm supposed to start doing my makeup, but See, I'm going to rush my makeup. I might not only take you guys through the process, but I just want to, do it sharply so that we can start the event. See, my brother's wife is eating on the floor. Village Juba. See, this was the lady who went for her introduction a year ago. Abi, you know which one you now? See, she don't born one, give us. Very fine, Bobo. Hey guys, so we're ready. My dress is giving.
Then that's how they wait for your husband people. Don't set.
So my in-laws are here and we'll be going over for the main occasion fully. I want to make one with them. I'll see you guys in the rest of the video. Oh, yeah. Hey guys, so we started the official video. At this point, this is my younger sisters. If you watched my vlog before, when I vlogged about my elder brother's marriage, there are some set of people I say they are called the Indi Onandas. That is the younger sisters to the bride. The extended sisters, both close by and the far, but just your younger sisters, your immediate younger sisters. Here's my dad and my elder brother. This is our house. Our house has not been in order for the past 8 years, but my dad just had to put one or two things together for my event, which is my wedding. And this place is where my in-laws were sitting, my husband sitting so handsome anyway. So this is the women. This is the family women, the extended family women, and the in-house family. We have different families when it comes to our tradition. And as tradition demands, my husband is not supposed to pay my dowry, everything in the list at once. He's supposed to go and come back. But because of distance, flying from Lagos back and front, it was a really difficult thing. So we had to convince my people to do everything on the list one day, which somehow there was a little argument, but it all became a success. This is me eating. They were begging me to eat, I refused, and now I feel like eating. So after that, these are my younger sisters from different families combined together. At this point, this is them. As tradition demand, they are supposed to eat first before starting any discussion, and that was what they did initially. So now they were done entertaining them and eating, they had to start. And they have two representatives from each of the families, that of my husband's and that of my immediate families too. That is like a spokesman in between the both families. Same thing applicable to the women. The women have their own person that will be speaking for them as well. So this tradition is so sweet. My tradition is nice if you're there. So this is my younger sister doing her video, doing me video. At this point, I was counting my money. As tradition demands, they've paid my head money. So I was counting this money to be sure that my husband paid in full. This money usually comes with a wine, and it's this wine I'm going to present to my parents, and I'm also using it to search for my husband. Different cultures and different traditions. This is just my culture. And as the first daughter of the house, I had my friends around, I have my sisters. So at this point they were debating. Okay, they've settled the man. As you can see, the men were actually happy, including my dad, that the bride price has been paid. Hey guys, so I'm going to leave you to watch this video to the end. Just in case you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed, please do it. Hit the subscribe button to like, share, comment to get updated when I upload your new videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification button. All right, so they were still arguing and arguing and arguing. So before I step out, it is required that my husband people need to pay some certain amount of money for them to see their wife. Let me leave you guys. Indeed, a great day for me, because usually people don't gather this much, especially when you don't combine the list, because they have section by section in our list, in our traditional list. But because my husband insisted on going through with everything on the list, so that is why we have this numerous people. And this is for the women. The women were debating and the men were also debating, but at the end we concluded. And this was when I was supposed to come out to see my in-laws. They were telling me the things to say and what not to say, how to greet. and I was getting ready to come out, but these women say lie, my husband people has to pay before they see their wife. It wasn't easy. They actually dragged it by the end. My in-laws paid to see their bride, so let's keep watching.
Give them something to talk about you. 2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody got to know you. Baby, you know, no see me happy, they plan to marry you. And no be only day too, I already know I feel you. I want it. When you look for film, mukafanenebe. Give them something to talk about you. Ebelebe, enenebe nwa. Wanyelu fafi mukafanenebe. Asa wanine kobeko. Wanyi mobidia. It dey hard to find. They know they see her for road. Wake maluma nenyego. It dey hard to find. They know they see her for road. I want it. When you look for film, mukafanenebe. Give them something to talk about you. I'm ready for forever. Everybody got to know you. Baby, you know, no see me happy, they plan to marry you. And no be only day too, I already know I feel you. I want it. When you look for film, mukafanenebe. Give them something to talk about you. Ebelebe, enenebe nwa. When you look for film, mukafanenebe. Asa wanine kobeko. Wanyi mobidia.
I feel that you are a very handsome man. Not only handsome, you are face looking You know what happened? You are getting my daughter as a wife.